Be kind, for whenever kindness becomes part of something it beautifies it. Whenever it is taken from something it leaves it tarnished. The best among you is the one who doesn't harm others with his tongue and hands. A good man treats women with honor. The greatest of richness is the richness of the soul. There is reward for kindness to every living thing. Strive always to excel in virtue and truth. The greatest jihad struggle/striving is to battle your own soul, to fight the evil within yourself. The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger. God does not look at your forms and possessions, but he looks at your hearts and your deeds. Riches are not from an abundance of worldly good, but from a contented mind. Exchange gifts, you will love one another. The best among you are those who have the best manners and character. No two things have been combined better than knowledge and patience. Tell people of glad tidings and do not push them away. The best of houses is the house where an orphan gets love and kindness. The believer does not slander, curse, or speak in an obscene or foul manner. A kind word is a form of charity. A father gives nothing better than good education. Feed the hungry and visit a sick person and free the captive if he be unjustly confined. Assist any person oppressed, whether Muslim or non-Muslim. Seek knowledge from cradle to the grave. Do not waste water even if you are at a running stream. A white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over white except by piety and good actions. When a thing disturbs the peace of your heart, give it up. You do not do evil to those who do evil to you, but you deal with them with forgiveness and kindness. He is not a true believer who eats his fill while his neighbor is hungry. However much the faith of a man increases. What has reached you was never meant to miss you, and what has missed you was never meant to reach you. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, look to those who have been given less. Speak good or remain silent. Make things easy for people and not difficult. Give people good news and bring them joy, and do not turn them away. Remember your own faults when you want a mention of others. Those who are patient in adversity and forgive wrongs are the doers of excellence. Modesty brings nothing except good. The most perfect man in his faith among the believers is the one whose behavior is most excellent, and the best of you are those who are the best of their wives. Happy is the man who avoids hardship, but how fine is the man who is afflicted and shows endurance.